Some of the greatest moments in sports history are unforgettable, but let's face it, we've only ever seen them blurry, pixelated, and stuck in old footage. These are the plays that define sports history, yet we've never truly seen them in the detail they deserve. But what if we could relive those iconic sports moments in crystal clear HD? It's time for VidHex Video Enhancer, an AI-powered tool that restores and upgrades old blurry videos to solve your problem. VidHex uses advanced AI technology to analyze and auto-repair the video clips, perfect for bringing legendary sports clips back to life. Here are the main features: resolution, upscaling, watch your favorite plays in HD or even 4000 like you're right there in the stadium. Blur, and noise removal. No more grainy replays. VidHex smooths out noise and restores clarity. Color enhancement. Colors come alive, stadiums glow, jerseys pop, and every detail shines. Frame interpolation. Create smooth motion video, suitable for high-speed sport moments. How to use VidHex. Step 1. Search VidHex on your browser and download it from the official website. Step 2. Launch VidHex and click Add File S to import your moment. Step 3. Choose an AI model and set output options. Step 4. Export and wait for the process. From Michael Jordan's clutch shot to World Cup goals.
Not even Navas can keep this one out of his net. And Brazil's golden goal comes on 90 minutes.
To Olympic gold medal moments, VidHex lets you see them like never before. It feels like rediscovering history in high definition. Let's enjoy those moments. Sports are about emotion, passion, and unforgettable memories. Don't let those moments stay blurred. With VidHex Video Enhancer, you can relive them in stunning HD.